I think it's a little bit better than the last windshield I had. Arctic Cat windshield for the older style. The last one, you had the mounting points that hooked onto the handlebars themselves. You couldn't take them off unless you wanted to. I mean, you had to wrench everything. These just clip on pretty nice. We'll take it out and see how it handles. It's pretty sturdy plastic. I'm gonna run out real quick without the windshield, without the hand guards. Definitely a lot of wind. My hands are getting cold riding without a windshield, so we'll ride with it and see. It pushes the wind out pretty good. Really simple to install. Snap it on, quick attach. I really need to go get some gas. It's been blinking for a while. Man, it's been so wet the last couple days, and then got cold enough so we could finally get some snow. Man, it's so sloppy out here. This windshield's working really good, keeping the wind off. Great for keeping your hands warm, keep the wind off of them. If you're running into any brush or anything through the trails, it will also deflect that off. Really great. It has been sprinkling, raining out here, which turned into snow. Got a little spray on the windshield that froze on. Overall, great addition to the ATV. Keeps the wind off. Great hand protection as well. If you don't want to get just the hand guards, go for the full windshield. This is a full height. You can get it in the link in the description. Be sure to like and comment down below. Subscribe so you don't miss the next video, and I'll see you guys there. Thanks for watching.